Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialty. So today we are making a 1-ingredient Cheez It. Now, first we get your organic cheddar cheese slices, and then you have your chef's knife and you cut them into squares. And this is a healthy snack. You can do these while you're watching a movie, bring them to school. They're they taste amazing. Now you put them on your parchment paper. You gotta spread them out a little so that they don't stick to each other. And you put them in the oven at 275 for 25 minutes. But depending on the level of crispiness that you like, you can put them in for more time. I like them extra crispy, so I put them in for more time. Now you take your bamboo skewer, I have a chopstick, and you put some holes in it, just like a Cheez It. Okay, and now I already have some ready. Here's what they look like. Then you sprinkle with some salt, and let's try one. That's amazing. Perfect snack. Great for the movies. I hope you enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, guys. Bye.